Equations with pronumerals on both sides. Oh boy, what are we going to do? Not that hard, okay. We're going to use the same skills we've built up before. If both sides of an equation have the same term added or subtracted, the new equation will be equivalent to the original. Okay, so we know that. If there's pronumerals on both sides, you can do the same thing we've done, but we're going to do it with the pronumerals this time so that we can add or subtract the pronumerals so that we get them to always appear on one side. So in this case, we've got 10 plus 5a's is equal to 13 plus 2a's. So I want to take some a's away or add them to the other side. In this case, I'm going to take them away. It doesn't really matter. You could take 5a's away from 2a and get a negative number. You've seen how we can change that back. But it's probably easiest for us if we look at which one has the most a's. There's 5 on the left-hand side, and there's 2 on the right-hand side. So let's take those 2 a's off both sides, and then we get all our a's in one basket. And the other one is the opposite. 4b's plus 12 equals 89 minus 3b's. Well, remember, we've got negative b's there. So if I were to add 3b's to both sides, I've got all my b's here, and I don't have any negativity to deal with, at least not in this mathematics situation. So now I rewrite 7t's, make sure I haven't missed anything, plus 4 equals 5t's plus 10. I've got 7 on this side and 5 on that side. Again, it doesn't matter. You could take 7t's from both sides and work with a negative number. I'm going to subtract 5t's from this side to give me 10. And I'm going to subtract those same 5t's, a little bit squishy, to give me 7t's minus 5t's is 2t's. I got 2t's left, plus 4. I can actually, if I'm adding 4, I can take away 4 to give me 2t's. Take away 4 gives me 6. And then 2t's divided by 2 gives me 1. That's 2. Gives me 1t equals 3. Look at me. 6x's plus 4 equals 22 minus 3x's. When I've got a negative, I think it just makes a little bit more sense to make that negative into a positive, giving me 22 alone on that side, and adding 3x's to the 6x's I already have, which gives me 9x's plus 4. And now I'm going to, before I do any dividing, I'm going to take away, because now I've got all my x's in one basket, I'm going to take away 4. So 9x's is equal to 22 minus 4, which is 18. And as I've said to you before, look at that. If it comes out clean, you've got a pretty good chance. So that's a divide sign. Sheesh. Divide by 9. You've got a pretty good chance of saying, yeah, I'm pretty confident x equals 2. And then I've got 2u's being equal to 7u's. Take away 20. Okay, so I'll have a couple of steps here. So if I take away 2u's, let's see what happens. Take away 2u's from both sides. I've got 7 minus 2 is 5u's minus 20. But what's on this side? Oh no! It's a 0. That's crazy. But look what's going to happen. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. So from this side, to get 5u's on their own, we're going to add 20. And we'll do that on the other side as well. So now I have 20 equals 5u's. Again, it doesn't matter which side the pronumeral is on. We can leave it there and be done and go home and have some chili. Divided by 5 gives me 1u, gives me 4u's. Or, as we like to do, therefore, u is equal to 4. And again, if I am wanting to check, 2 times 4 equals 7 times 4 minus 20. 2 times 4 is 8. 7 times 4 is 28 minus 20. I think you can see where I'm going here. She works.